Hey everybody, Michael Price here with Top Priority Auto Detailing. We want to welcome you to our latest video. Here we have a box of mystery products from Chemical Guys. This is our 4th episode of our product review series here on the YouTube channel. We got a couple of new subscribers here recently, so for those of y'all, welcome to the channel. What I'm going to do here is I've already cut the box open, and Sarah is doing awesome camera work. So she is going to show off what this is inside. And again, we just now opened it, so you guys are going to be just as surprised as we are. And if you get a chance, check out our 2nd episode when we unboxed the mystery box from Adams. So here we go. All right, well.
What's that?
I think this is the bucket. Wow. Okay.
It's short.
All right, we're gonna get this box out of here. I think they call this the translucent bucket, if I read that right, said that right. If I need correcting, correct me in the comments below.
It is somewhat see-through.
All right, so, yeah, smell them chemicals. Okay, so the first item up for bids is a nice microfiber towel.
Woohoo!
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Never have too many towels.
Right, you are. Let's see here. We've got some P40 Detailer Sprayable Carnauba. Natural Carnauba Shine cleans and protects UVA and UVB protection.
Nice.
And it's kind of wet in here. Let's see, we got some sprays here. Let's see what sprays we've got first. Reactive Fusion Activate Shine and Seal. Maximum shine, weatherproof protection, works on all colors. I've never seen this one before.
So it's a sealant for after the wax, maybe?
Well, I'm going to read what it says here. It says, Chemical Guys Activate Shine and Seal is a revolutionary spray sealant that shields with durable protection and enhances extreme shine. The innovative sealant is formulated with Reactive Fusion technology for reduced application time. Okay. And it's also improved durability and extended protection. It says it activates shine and seal, protects against fading, discoloration, pollution, water spots, and much more. Okay, all right.
How about that? We'll have to see if we could use that in lieu of wax sometimes and see what the difference is.
And as you always know, if it's a new product, we always try it on our vehicles before we use it on any of our clients.
Absolutely.
All right, and going in here. Oh, I think they were reading our minds, Sarah. We were talking about needing more leather conditioner.
Oh, that's the good stuff.
Yeah, this stuff works good. My personal preference, I believe Chemical Guys has got this down to an exact science versus the Adams leather conditioner. That's just my personal opinion. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. What kind of products you think work best when you're doing your details when it comes to leather seats.
That stuff smells like cream soda too.
Yeah. Let's see here. The next one, we've got Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer, all surface, all-purpose cleaner.
Oh, we were looking at that online.
This is a little bit about it. Inner Clean is a versatile quick detail spray designed to clean and protect your vehicle's interior surfaces. Okay, all right, we'll give that a shot. We've got 2 buckets excuse me. We got 1 bucket, haha. We've got 2 spray bottles remaining. Let's see what we got here next. This one. Oh, some stickers.
Stickers?
Yeah, we know Sarah loves the stickers.
Yes, I do.
Let's see.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's a donut. Like our deodorizer spray. Wow.
All right. Coming back here, we've got 2 spray bottles remaining. Hyperband Complete Vehicle Antibacterial Disinfectant Cleaner. Simplified cleaning kills viruses and bacteria. So this is going to be one of those where if you don't have an ozone treatment machine, this one right here is probably going to be what you want to try out with. So that's pretty cool. And our last thing in the box, Hyper Coat Protective Dressing, Agent Protector. It says Extreme Shine Dressing restores bold new look, vinyl, rubber, and plastic restorer.
Wow.
We've never had any of this.
So is that something comparable to 303, you think?
I wonder, maybe the people watching the video, if they've ever used this stuff, they could let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
But the main thing behind this is it says the G6 Hypercoat Protective Dressing restores and protects a brand new look and shine to vinyl, rubber, and plastic car parts. Okay. Well, that's pretty neat.
Yeah.
So all of this right here, I personally, like I said, I think the products definitely look like they're on the premium side. I don't know how you guys think and feel about it, but Sarah, I feel like we got a little bit more with the Adams bucket. We definitely got more towels.
Yeah, usually these size bottles are $15 a pop, so this is a really good value.
Oh, I'm not discrediting the value at all. I'm just saying, like, I think the difference between the mystery buckets and the mystery boxes is, I feel like Adams had a little bit more product, but these right here, this is more than awesome. So we'll definitely give these a shot. And to end the video, I just want to tell you guys, first and foremost, like I said, we're at 30 subscribers now. Cannot say thank you enough to everybody that subscribed to our channel since we started doing this at the beginning of 2022. I'm extremely thankful, and I appreciate you guys. And for those of you guys out there watching our videos for the first time, I hope you guys will hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll hear the ding and everything when we make a new video and it goes live. So until next time, we got some good stuff coming up. It's getting to be summertime, and Sarah and I are going to be pretty much killing it all summer.
Absolutely.
And we will, what we'll do on our next episode or down the line when we do another episode, we'll incorporate these products on our own details and we'll show you guys the results. So until next time, remember, 100% maximum effort, 100% maximum results. That's the way at Top Priority Auto Detailing.
Thanks, guys.